Hey, my name's Rebecca, and I'm going to quickly show you how to make your very own sales funnel in, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. More towards the 5 if I go quickly and don't talk too much, which I'll try not to do. So I'm inside Pipeline Pro right now, which has no monthly fees. There's a $37 one-time lifetime license at the moment, and what you get for that is incredible. So I've just logged in. I haven't connected any of these things yet because I just found it a couple weeks ago. And just realized what I had. And so now I'm really getting excited. So you can connect Google Business, you can connect Facebook, you can put a web chat on your website, connect Stripe, you can add team members into here if you've got a big team. And all of these, like Facebook and web chat, they'll all send contacts into your CRM so you can collect leads, highly targeted leads, and take payments, and it's just crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight down to the funnel builder because that's what this video is about. So yeah, funnels and websites. Let's go into funnels. We'll just start from scratch and build one real quick. I've been testing it out here. So we're going to do a new one. New funnel. Let's call it Test Funnel 2, okay? Create a funnel. We've got to add a new step. Let's name it Test Funnel Landing Page. Step number 1 is landing page. Path. Okay, I haven't connected it to my website, but if you have a website, you would, your website, yourname.com / and then whatever you want the path to be. Create a funnel or whatever it is at the end of that. If you are a member of ClickFunnels, you can import funnels from ClickFunnels. There's no cost to that. I mean, you're paying for ClickFunnels, but you can use both. So let's create that funnel step. And then here you go. So what you want to do, we're going to make the control page. When you're done, you can do a split test and create a variation so you can test it out. There's amazing analytics inside here as well. Like, blows my mind what you get for nothing a month. Anyway, so let's just create a quick one. Edit page, and then all you do is drag and drop the elements that you want on your funnel. I'm going to make this one very simple. Just simple. Medium width. So let's do, the first thing we'll add is, let's just do 1 column. All right, we're going to add an element. First thing we're going to do is add a headline. Let's call it, this funnel is going to be for, I'll do it for the Pipeline Pro. So learn how to make unlimited sales funnels for your unique business. So whether you're a real estate agent or a dentist or a network marketer or a insurance agent, whatever you do, you can just put whatever headline you think is going to catch people's attention. And then you click the plus button, you add another element. Let's do, oh, no, I don't like that one. Okay. Just stay there, okay. Subheadline, no tech needed, no monthly fees. I'm just bringing it out there. Then let's put, let's throw right now, let's see what else we can put in there. You can put a video, an image, you can put something, you can put a survey in here. Say you're a real estate agent. You can say, tell me what you're looking for. How many bedrooms, and have the choice. How many bathrooms? Do you want a garage? Do you want like have a little survey. When they fill it in and submit it, it goes straight to your contacts. Amazing. You can put a map, a calendar. Let's put, let's just stick a form in there. So what you would do is, I have one form created. So I would let's pretend we don't have a form created and you have to make one. So if you wish to add a new form, click here. Let's make a quick form. Show you how easy it is. Or you can have it in advance. You can have forms made and just pick the one you want. And there you go. All right, so create new form. Let's do first name, phone number, and email. And then we'll, I don't want to make it, we're not gonna make it fancy. And then, oops, let's move my face over here. Then we'll put a button at the bottom. Okay, let's just move the button to the middle, make it, let's make it red. No, oh, that's the writing. Okay, I want white writing. Background, let's make it blue or whatever color you want. You can change the text. Click here to get your free, whatever you want to put in there. Make it fancy, change the background, and then just save the form. So this is going to be called Form 2 because I didn't name it. So let's go back to the funnel builder. Hang on, where are we? Yeah. Let's go back here, select Form 2, and there's the form that we just made together. We're over 5 minutes, so let's just add one more thing here. Let's add a, I don't have any videos in my library. I have a couple images. I could add an image down there. I think let's throw in a calendar. I know this is weird. You would never put a calendar under a form, probably, but just to show you how it works, let's throw a calendar in there. I've already set up my calendar and I've put what days and times I'm available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my calendar in there. Okay, and I could put, oh, before that, let's in here put, oh, my cat wants in. Hang on, get in here. Sorry, come on. Let's put another just headline here. Free 15-minute consultation. Okay, let's do that. All right, there we go, and then people can do that. Then what I'm going to do, you always have to save it up here. See this save button, and it's live. So what you would want to do, oh, you can put in SEO, but I'm not going to do that right now. So what you would want to do is preview it. This is what it would look like on the internet. It's not very pretty. I haven't added any pictures or any like images or anything. You can see what it'd look like on a mobile phone, like that. Really, the simpler the better. And so that you don't have a big ugly domain name, you might want to just you know, connect it to your website so it doesn't have an ugly URL, or maybe use something like bit.ly to shorten the URL. But there you go, it's all done. That's how you make a quick funnel, and you can make as many of these as you want for multiple businesses or multiple products or whatever you're doing. And that's only one aspect of what's inside the Pipeline Pro. Go Pipeline Pro. If you want any more information, I'm going to put a link below this video. You can check it out for yourself and decide. You can contact me if you want, and I can walk you through it in more depth. Okay, so I'm going to stop now. We're at 9 minutes. Too long. Anyway, we built a funnel in under 10 minutes, so that's pretty cool.